Hey, what's up everyone? So for today's episode I have a nice accessibility tip for you guys that you can check out on your Samsung Galaxy watch. So this is related to the display of the watch. Sometimes you want to read something on the watch face or on the watch as a whole, but you can't read it due to its small size. Previously I showed you how to enlarge the text present in the notifications, and in that tip you don't have to enable anything on the watch. But that was just limited to the notifications and not the whole display of the watch. With this tip you can enlarge any part of the display with the help of triple tap. Now you can see I'm triple tapping the display and it has enlarged the text. I can use two fingers to move across the display. I can also zoom in and zoom out. It not only works just on the watch face but also on any part of the display. Either you are in settings, any other application, it will work always. And to enable it, you have to just go to the wearable application on your phone. Here go to accessibility and select visibility enhancements. Now turn on the triple tap to magnify option. So now it has enabled this feature and you can use it to zoom in and zoom out on your watch display. And if you just want to disable it, toggle triple tap to magnify option off on the wearable application. Also, if you don't have access to the phone, you can directly disable it from the watch. For this, go into settings. Here scroll down to accessibility. Now tap visibility enhancements and turn on or off this triple tap to magnify feature. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section if you will use it or not, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.